This is the Lymow OnePlus. It claims to be the first robotic mower that actually cuts like a heavy-duty traditional lawnmower. But is it one of our new top 5 gadgets? If you have a large garden or a demanding lawn, you know that the standard robot mowers usually fail spectacularly. They get stuck on exposed roots, they slide down steep hills, and their tiny little razor blades get completely choked up on the grass if it's too tall or too dense. They're basically adult toys. And Lymow recognised this gap in the market. The OnePlus is their second generation flagship mower, engineered from the ground up for heavy-duty, real-world, real lawn use. It ditches the flimsy plastic wheels and weak blades for a rugged track drive system and professional-grade rotary blades. And first we have to talk about how you set this up and how it navigates, because this is where the real premium experience begins. Traditional robotic mowers require you to spend your entire weekend burying a perimeter wire around your property. It's honestly a bit of a nightmare. The Lymow OnePlus completely eliminates the hassle with its wire-free smart navigation. It uses highly advanced combination of RTK satellite positioning and VSLAM based visual mapping. That all sounds very technical, and to me it sounds a bit like jargon. All it actually means is that it delivers stable, pinpoint accuracy at any position in your garden, whether it's navigating around tall trees or next to steep walls. It will always be navigating strongly, and all you have to do is use the smartphone app to map your yard in minutes, and then the rest is done with the mower. An accurate map doesn't mean much if the mower keeps crashing into things, and Lymow equipped the OnePlus with stereo AI vision system backed by extensive real-world scenario training. It features AI vision, 5 ultrasonic sensors and 2 Hall sensors working in perfect harmony. This allows it to perform real-world, real-time obstacle and animal detection. Whether it's a pet wandering onto the grass or a child's toy in the way, the mower sees it and safely navigates around it and keeps on cutting whilst it's doing it. And while that navigation is a convenience upgrade that's very much welcome in this space, the cutting system is where the true performance upgrade happens, and the OnePlus genuinely has stepped up the entire marketplace here. Most robot mowers use tiny pivoting razor blades that struggle with anything thicker than standard grass. The OnePlus introduces the Lycut System 2.0, featuring the world's first dual rotary blade robotic mower design. These aren't flimsy razors, these are high rigidity SK5 tool steel blades with a 50 HRC hardness rating. Driven by an enhanced motor that delivers over 1700 watts of peak power, these blades can spin at a blistering 6,000 RPM. This gives you the raw cutting force needed to shed through tough, tall grass and fallen leaves, acting as a natural mulcher that nourishes your soil and saves you hours of cleanup. And because of those blades, it cuts all types of grass flawlessly, and to ensure a perfect finish, it features a floating front deck guided by Omni wheels. The deck physically adapts to variations in your terrain, guaranteeing a smooth, even cut. You can precisely adjust the cutting height directly from the app, ranging from 1.2 inches all the way up to 4 inches to suit your specific lawn style. But the technology wonders don't stop there. There's some more magic with the Lycut System 2.0 Cyclone Airflow architecture. As the dual blades spin, they generated a massive upward airflow. This actively lifts flattened or bent grass before cutting it, ensuring a pristine, manicured finish. The clippings are then directed out through the single side discharge port, preventing the deck from clogging and keeping any hard surfaces totally clean. Now, of course, having a massive motor and super sharp blades doesn't really matter if the mower can't even reach the grass in the first place. If you have hills, slopes, or any uneven ground, standard wheeled mowers will inevitably slip and slide. The Lymow OnePlus uses a unique heavy-duty track drive system. This track design delivers confident traction even on steep slopes, conquering inclines up to an incredible 45 degrees, which is a 100% grade. It handles the steepest slopes in the industry without slowing down. Because of that dual-wheeled motor design and rugged track treads, it easily glides over roots, potholes, trampoline bars, and any bumps even up to 2.8 inches high. It powers through sandy soil, swampy patches, and dense overgrowth where other mowers would instantly get stuck and require manual rescue. And of course, if you're dealing with a big garden or a massive lawn, efficiency is absolutely everything. The OnePlus features a wide 16-inch cutting width combined with adjustable mowing speeds ranging from 1 to 3.3 feet per second. If you opt for the 10 amp fast charge version, this machine can cover an incredible 1.73 acres per day. Now, wouldn't it be nice to have that bigger garden? It does use a massive 15,000 milliamp hour battery, 528 watt hour LiFo PO4 battery to be precise. With a 10 amp charger, a full cycle takes just 90 minutes. It will mow continuously for up to 3 hours per charge, covering half an acre in a single go. And if the battery runs low or rain is detected, it automatically returns to its charging station, recharges, and then resumes mowing exactly where it left off with no gaps. Now that is some kind of magic. And of course, this whole thing adds into that kind of quality of life and quality of the product itself. And when you're spending a lot of money on outdoor equipment, you want to make sure that it's built to last. And the Lymow OnePlus ditches cheap plastic for premium automotive grade aluminium. The entire unit is sealed with IPX-C waterproof standards, protecting it against heavy rain, mud, dust, and corrosion. When it's time to clean it, you simply lift the blade deck and remove the track covers for a tool-free maintenance experience. And of course, everything is managed through the highly intuitive Lymow app. You can set up multi-zone management for up to 80 different zones covering 15 total acres. You can customize the scheduling, select specific stripe angles and cutting patterns if you want to receive timely alerts. And to protect your investment, it includes multiple anti-theft features like a PIN code, geofence alarms, and live GPS tracking. So what is the TLDR on this whole Lymow OnePlus situation? The Lymow OnePlus is a heavy-duty, professional-grade landscaping machine that finally brings traditional mower performance into the autonomous arena. The wire-free RTK and VSLAM navigation setup is a breeze and obstacle avoidance is flawless. The Lycut system absolutely shreds through thick grass and leaves, and the rugged track drive system conquers 45-degree slopes, and the massive battery allows it to mow up to 1.7 acres per day. It legitimately can replace your ride-on mower or save you hours of weekend labour. I know that this is going to be amazing in that giant garden that Pete's got. Lymow have clearly smashed it out the park with OnePlus, but is the Lymow OnePlus one of your new top 5 gadgets? Let me know what you think down in the comments down below. If you're interested to find out more about this product, I'll leave a link in the description. And of course, whilst you're down there, make sure you like this video, subscribe for more top 5 gadgets, and I'll see you in the next one.